Put a frog in a vessel of water and start heating the water. As the temperature of the water rises, the frog is able to adjust its body temperature accordingly. The frog keeps on adjusting with the increase in temperature. Just when the water is about to reach boiling point, the frog is not able to adjust anymore. At that point, the frog decides to jump out. The frog tries to jump, but is unable to do so, because it lost all its strength in adjusting with the water temperature. Very soon, the frog dies. What killed the frog? Many of us would say the boiling water. But the truth is, its inability to decide when it had to jump out killed it.